In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Myfitnesspal. Whether you're trying to learn a new language or simply prefer using your favorite app in your native tongue, adjusting the language settings on Myfitnesspal is straightforward. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to do it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Myfitnesspal website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on the official site to keep your account secure. Once there, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log in if you're already a registered user. If you're logging in, make sure your username and password are ready to go. It's important to remember that switching languages requires accessing your account settings, so being logged in is necessary. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a very small icon that leads to your account settings. This icon is usually symbolized by your profile picture or your initials. Clicking on it will give you access to a drop-down menu with several options. Navigate through this menu and click on Settings. This section holds the key to customizing your Myfitnesspal experience. In the settings, you're going to find various options related to your account and preferences. We're specifically interested in adjusting the language settings today. Within the settings menu, look for an option labeled Change Language. This might be a bit tucked away, but it's there. Clicking on this will open up a new page or section that lets you decide the language you want your app to be in. On the Change Language page, you'll see a list of all the available languages you can choose from. Take your time to find the one that best suits your needs, whether it's Spanish, French, Chinese, or any other language offered. Simply select your preferred option. Once you've made your choice, the site might take a moment to adjust. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language settings on Myfitnesspal. You should now see the entire user interface of the site in the language you've selected, making it easier for you to navigate and use all the fantastic features it offers. Remember, you can change your language settings back anytime you want by following these steps again. So feel free to experiment if ever you need a switch for learning or practice purposes. That's all there is to it, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking on Myfitnesspal in the language that suits you best. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit too.